Welcome back. What we're going to be doing today is elimination method. Elimination elimination method is solving simultaneous equation. Now let's take for instance we have a particular challenge. Question at hand, which is um, an equation like 3x minus 2y is equals to 5. Let's name that as equation 1. And we have another equation like 2x plus 5y is equals to minus 7, which is the equation 2. Now we need to find, we can, what we can do is, if we want to eliminate x from the equation, from the two equations, we need to multiply the coefficient uh, of the first equation value for x with the coefficient of the second equation value for x. What I mean by that is, take for instance we want to eliminate x. We pick the 2, we multiply it by equation 1. This is the 2 we're talking about, multiplied by equation 1, which is 3x minus 2y is equals to 5. Then we pick the 3, which is this. We multiply it by equation 2. 2x plus 5y is equals to minus 7. Minus 7. So what we're going to have is, we're going to have a 6x minus 4y is equals to 10. While we have 6x plus 10y is equals to no, this should be 15, because we are multiplying 3 by 5. It should be 15, and 3 by this is minus 21. Minus 21. Then we can now to remove, because they both have the same coefficient. Now we can easily remove these two. So what we need to do is subtract equation 2 equation 2 minus equation 1, and what we're going to have is 6x minus 6x plus 15y minus 4y is equals to we're going to have minus 21 minus 10. This is going to give us minus 31, and this is going to be erased. It's going to be 0 plus 19y. So the value for y is going to be minus 31 over 19. Now, once we've got the value for y, to get the value for x, to obtain the value for x, obtain x value, what we just need to do is substitute the value of y into equation 1. In doing that, we have 3x minus 2 bracket minus 31 over 19 is equals to 5. And what that means that we're going to be having 3x is equals to 5. This is going to give us 62. This is going to be minus 62 over 19. And this is going to give us, by the end of the day, 3x is equals to what we're gonna have is 33 over 19. Now we have in 3x is equals to 33 over 19. If you divide 3 here, 1, we have 11 here. So x is equals to 11 over 19. Now once we've got this, to prove that our values are all correct, what we need to do is just substitute the value into equation 1 or 2, which is 3x minus 2y is equals to 5. That means 3 multiplied by 11 over 19 minus 2 minus 31 over 19 is equals to 5. We realize what we have at the right hand side is going to be the same thing as the left hand side. So when we're going to look at this, we're going to have 19, 3, this is 33, minus, this is going to be plus 33 plus 33 is equals to 5. So we're going to have at this point, if we do the addition, 33 plus 33 divided by 19, there's still something wrong somewhere. This is supposed to be, I see, this is supposed to be, okay, this is supposed to be, it's supposed to be 62. So we have 33 plus 62, 33 plus 62 divided by 19 gives 5. So we have 5 is equals to 5. This shows that the values are correct. Thank you very much. This elimination method should be used almost all the time when you have issues with equations and you want to solve for values of x or y or any values that you've been given, and you'll be able to use it to get the solution. Now there are also forms of other kind of equations that cannot be solved. Take for instance, you have an equation such like equations like 2x minus 3y is equals to 4, and you have 4x is equals to 6y minus plus 5. Equation 1 equation 2. Using elimination method, elimination or substitution method will not work in this situation because the two equations are parallel. The parallel equations. You have parallel lines which do not intersect. They are parallel lines on the x and y axis, and they do not intersect. How? Okay, look at this. 2x minus 3y is equals to 4, and we have 4x minus 6y is equals to 5. Equation 1, equation 2. Right. Written. Okay. So when we multiply, we divide this. We multiply this by 4. We have 8x minus. We have 8x minus 4 multiplied by 2 gives 8x. 4 multiplied by minus 12y is equals to 16. And we have multiplied this by 2. We have 8x minus 12y is equals to 2 multiplied by 10, that's 10. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we get 0, 0, which is equals to 6. There's no way we can solve x and y cannot be solved for. That means they are parallel, and their lines, that means they are parallel and their lines do not intersect. And this should be noted in mathematics when solving quadratic equations. Thank you.